If you like, you can change the language of your Microsoft Word application. For example, from your home country language to English. But in some situations, even that you select the new language and restart Word, nothing will happen. As you can see, when we go to the language settings, we see English language appears in the list and is selected. But the application language is still in Dutch. When we change it to Dutch and restart Word, it will be still in Dutch. Now we gonna change it to English. And restart Word. As you can see, the Word language is still in Dutch. The problem is that while you can select English here, the English Office language is missing on your system. You have to install the Office Language Pack to fix it. It can be found on the website of Microsoft. We added a link to the language pack in the description of this video. Let's install it. Be sure the Word application is closed. Now we have installed the language pack, we are going to start Word again. As you can see, it appears in English. That's great, we have solved the problem. Thank you for watching. Please support us and give us a like, or even better, subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance.